As we grow older, we experience personal changes. As an example, when we were younger, we always cry whenever we do not get what we want because we do not know the value of money. All we want to do is to have fun and play. But now, when we mature, we can understand better and have more self-control. This is why, along with our personal changes, there are also changes in our roles in the community and family. This module tackles 6 tips that everyone can follow to achieve self-discipline. First, know and acknowledge your weakness. Remember, nobody is perfect and every strength has weaknesses. And to change it, we should start from accepting it. Some people are afraid to accept their weaknesses because they are afraid to hear other people's opinion. But remember, through accepting our downsides, it offers a chance for us to improve it. Second, we must keep clear goals and have an action plan. Try to list down your goals and prepare an action plan that is connected to it. It will save your time, energy, and resources. Third, commit to develop self-discipline. Remember, consistency is the key. If you want change, you must be willing to do your actions whether you like it or not. You must commit your mind, heart, and body to your goals.